Hi guys, this is Shaurya Onyal and today we are going to learn how to give facial expressions. So how we can express our feelings? Face से अपनी बॉडी से या फिर अपनी आवाज से हे मैं तुझे मार सकता हूं. If you go anywhere in the world and if you couldn't understand a single word of their language, then how will you do? What do you do? But still, you can tell their feelings by reading their face expressions. Shall we begin? Yes. तो आज हम अपने 3 facial expressions की बात करेंगे जिसमें हमारा आएगा anger, laughter and disgusting. So first we will talk about our angerness. So in angerness, first of all I want to tell you one thing that जो हमारा ये फेस है, फेस में जो हमारे मूविंग पार्ट्स होते हैं वो हमारे आई होती है, नोज, चीक, लिप्स. ओके, सो इन एंगर आईब्रो है वो थोड़े क्लोज आ जाएंगे सेंटर में और इट विल गो डाउन एंड लिप्स विल बी स्क्वीज लाइक दिस. शैल वी? So, second one is laughter. In laughter, our cheek will go up, lips will go wide, eyes will be squeezed, and there will you can find some wrinkles around the eyes. Okay, the third one is disgusting. In disgusting, our upper lip will go up, cheek will go up, and eyebrow will down. See, upper lip will go up, cheek will up, eyebrow will down. So, there are 3 emotion: anger, laughter, disgusting, so guys these are our 3 facial expressions. बाकी के 6 facial expressions को जानने के लिए wait for the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. See you then.